Hello everyone, I'm a Dr. Mohal Banker, interventional radiologist, and in this small presentation, I'm going to show you the brief modules and the teaching patterns which we have developed for varicose vein training program. So there are total 6 modules which we are going to discuss in this training program. First one is a patient's examination module. In this module, we discussed into details about how to differentiate the varicose vein patients and symptoms of the varicose veins from the other disease. Then in second modules, we are going to teach you about the basic Doppler pattern into the varicose vein patient, how to evaluate the junctions and how to evaluate the perforator reflex, and overall you can define that which kind of reflex pattern into this disease, and from that you can plan your uh, your procedures. And third module is an advanced Doppler module. Those who are interested, then I'm going to teach you this advanced Doppler technique. And in this module, I'm going to discuss more about shunts. There are lots of shunts into this venous network, and there is some details about these venous networks. And if any candidate is interested, then I'm going to discuss this shunt pattern into this advanced Doppler module. And the fourth one is a procedures module. In this particular training program, I am going to discuss endovenous thermal ablation. In this endovenous thermal, going to cover laser and radio frequency ablation both, and foam sclerotherapy. So endovenous thermal and the foam sclerotherapy, these two procedures we are going to demonstrate you into this module. And in fifth one is a live training. Uh, each and every candidate will get patients for hands-on experience and how to operate all these radio frequency machines and laser machines. Everything we are going to teach you in this live training program. And last but not the least, it's very important to do the follow-up after the procedures. And so in this module, I'm going to teach you about the follow-up and recurrence. See, recurrence is 3 to 5% into the varicose vein uh, disease. So how to evaluate the patients when it comes with the recurrence. So these are the important things which we are going to cover in the 6th module. Now, there are certain highlights for our course. This course is designed for one-to-one interaction, so maximum 2 candidates at one session. So each candidate will have enough hands-on experience, and all the queries will be solved by us. And there is a direct interaction between us and the candidate. And in last many years, we have done more than 12,000 procedures, so we have lots of experience, and we are going to discuss all this experience, some few tricks and tips about all these procedures during this training program. And if required, then hand holding for first few cases, uh, then that is also we are going to support it.